Satchiao, an ghost, an English teacher. Palembang, Talang Krikil, 2023 September. Let's go. YouTuber. Let's go. I'm alone here. Satchiao is an English teacher. Yes, we are making a ghost video documentary. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. I don't know, maybe you enjoy this or not. Oh, I'm alone here, and maybe you don't know who I am. I am Satchiao. I hope my handphone, which is on my pocket, it can record the picture that in front of me. I hope you enjoy this. Okay, this is my documentary of seeking ghosts. Yes. Oh, be gone, man. Be gone. I don't know. This is the first time that I this is the first time that I am recording this, and I'm alone here in the middle of cemetery, Talang Krikil, Palembang City. Yes. Oh man. Let's start recording. I hope you're fine. And this is our journey. Okay. I again save my handphone in the pocket and prepare for the additional lamp. Okay, man. I'm sorry. I don't bother you, man. Wait. Please wait, man. Okay. Okay, man. I'm sorry. Let's start. Hey, man. This is yes, our journey. Yes. Who? Come on. This is a real ghost documentary. Okay. No one here. Nobody is here. that is my flashlight of Asus X00 DDB. Okay, who you are there, man? I'm a YouTuber. Satchau, Talang Kerikil. I'm alone here, man. Yeah, as you see, very dark here, man. Whoo, I'm alone, man. Turn off again, maybe because you disturb me. Good. We don't know, man. We don't know. Disturbance. Okay, again. Good, and off again. Okay. You bother me. Oh my god. I don't know if this is not good. Ooh. Off again and again. You bother me. Okay, the ghosts here, they don't want to be disturbed, but I am here. I'm alone, man. Incredible. We start our journey. Yes. This is real documentary. Okay. I'm holding my flashlight here off again because the ghost doesn't want me to be here, man. Yeah. Yes, there is a sound. Who is that, man? There's a sound, man. Okay. I have got. It is Allah. Okay. Let's interact here. Let's interact well. Okay. Without any hatred. Guys, you can hear the sound here now. Okay, this is the cemetery of Talang Kerikil, Palembang ghost documentary. Guys, you don't know, my torch, my flashlight become dysfunction, malfunction, guys. Okay, cannot be used with this. I don't know, maybe they do this. Okay, they make this flashlight broken. Okay, Satchau, the real ghost documentary in Indonesian. I'm an Indonesian, Palembang. Okay, guys, Palembang teacher, Indonesian English teacher. Okay, every day I teach and hope there's a sound. it's tokek sound. Okay. Hello, who are there? That is a big tree, guys, in front of me. Right there. Big tree. Yes. Who? You don't know. You know if you try. if you to be here. Okay. I try to record this 30 minutes and 30 minutes. I think that it's enough time. Guys, broken again and again. We don't know, man. Broken, guys, really cannot be used. Whew. We try to give the viewers the new experience. Oh, I smell something bad, something awful. You know what? It is the dead body of animal. Okay, this is real. Okay, this is cemetery Lalang Kerikil, Palembang City, which the citizens are here is 90% of the people here is Chinese, whose religion are majority Christian. I don't know, maybe Buddhism and Confucianism. That is the light of citizens, people's house. Okay, there's a sound. You go there, man. Hey, hello, man. Who is there, man? Sachiao. Oh, we try this experience of the darkness. Yes. Become broken again and broken again, guys. This one, guys. Broken. Good and bad. Good and bad. Okay, I have got. I try to be brave. Yes, sound I hear in my ear. Yes. Whoa, speaking English here in front of cemetery. In the middle of jungle here, man. This is my motorcycle. As you can hear here in this place, the sound of insects. This is the natural sound. Okay, we try again to use this, man. Good. Become bad. On off again, man. Yeah. Okay, this is. Oh, I am brave enough. Hello, man. Okay, this one, man. This place is actually a human place, not your place, man. This is not your place. We human, we have right here. Really, this is. There is sound. Krek, 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 kretek, 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 kretek. Yes, man. Why? What happened? Do you want to talk to me? Do you need to talk to me? Okay, man. Brave enough. This is Mr. Sachiao. Mr. Sachiao is here. Ooh, scary here in the MEYHUA cemetery, man. Wow, you can see here. Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Come on. If you are strong enough, you think that you are strong enough, beat me here. Beat me here. I'm alone. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Guys, this is the real experiment. Okay? If you don't know the situation here, you try to do this. You stay here in the cemetery, guys. Okay, I don't know how to operate this well because cannot be functionable. Oh, broken. I don't know, gun. I don't know, guys. Bro, sis, who? Hey, there's a sound. Yes. Why? Excuse me here, man. Akong, ama. I think 22 minutes is enough, man. Oh, a big tree, man, here. Wow, you don't know. Ooh. And I am blown by the big wind. Ooh, become. I cannot say anything, any words. You know that this is really scary, man. Yeah. This activity is terrifying, yes. Ooh. Yes. 24 minutes is enough. Sachiao, senyuman Sachiao, real ghost, man. Okay. While I am not promoting my English service, maybe I think that staying here is better, man, than sleeping. Okay. Hey, man. What are you doing there? I'm waiting for you, man, here. Come on, try to interact. Try to communicate with me, Sachiao. Sachiao, man. Yeah. Sachiao, Om Sachiao. Uncle Sachiao. Who? You know what? We are wearing the same clothes. White shirt, and you do too. So do you. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonirrajim. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Yes. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. We become brave, man. We become brave. I should be strong. I must be strong. Yes, man. You don't know. Ooh, yes. Broken. My flashlight cannot be used. Normally, we can use this tool because we need some light to see in the darkness. Oh, man. We even cannot see 10 meters in front of us. It is my motorcycle. Yes. Cannot see. My motorbike is there. Okay, man. 3 minutes left. I hope you can enjoy this. And if you don't believe that this is in Palembang, you can check. Okay? If you don't believe, please check the truth. You need to check the truth. I told that 24, 22 minutes, but I think 30 minutes. Okay? This is the cemetery of Akong or Ama, Chinese grandfather, Chinese grandmother, I don't know. This is called Bong Pai. Okay? White cemetery. Okay? Maybe this is Confucianism or Buddhism, but Konghucu teaches that the teaching of Konghucu, he never teach this way, this style. No, never. Okay, you go to another topic of my other video about Confucian topic. Another video of me tell you about the cemetery of Chinese. Okay, man, here. Ooh, broken again. Broken again. That is in front of us, a really big tree. Okay? Really big tree. Yes. There. Oh, that is the house of the people here. Post 2. Okay? You don't know here. Here, man. Broken again. Oh, there is an interaction here. Okay? Oh, broken. Oh, man. Yes. A big tree here. There. 10 meters in front of me. Okay? Be brave. We need an interaction here. Okay? Please try to stay in the darkness. If you don't know how this is. Okay? Most of the viewers do not know the situation here. You know when you do this, the truth. Okay? I'm standing here in the darkness with the flashlight cannot be used. Okay? Broken. Oh, man. Hello here. Nice to meet you. Nice to stay here, man. Okay. Oh, this is the foggy substance because Palembang, there is a big fire in Indralaya. Okay, because we have dry season here. Okay, foggy, fog, smoke. We try to speak in English. Okay, learn with me, Sachiao. Okay, man. This is our trip here of the darkness cemetery of Akong Ama Palembang. Like this video, share, and please, we honestly, we are we are naturally afraid. Okay, not brave, but please try again and again, become brave. Whoa, look at these branches, man. Okay, move this, move this. Okay, please, interaction, move, interact. Okay, I'm waiting, man. Yeah. Oh, you like to stay here, the ghost. Kuntilanak, pocong, grandong, kuntilanak, jin berwajah rusak, setan, keparat lu, anjing lu. Hey, you can see here. How about the wind? Okay. Oh, move. Yes, you can see this is interaction ghost. Okay, you are there. I know some of you jinns, some of you are good and safe. No disturb the people. Okay, I don't know, maybe you are kuntilanak, maybe you are pocong, maybe you are arwah Akong Ama. Yes, move. Okay, there is interaction. Ooh, come on, man. Who are you over there? I can hear your sound of keretek. Allahumma sholli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi. Allahumma sholli ala sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi. Oh, I'm thirsty, man. I'm thirsty. Really, I want to drink a cup of coffee. Okay, I have prepared my coffee here. Okay, there is a bottle of coffee, man. The black coffee, Nescafe. Maybe it is in here, man. Okay. Hello, man. I'm Satchao. Brave in the darkness, man. Who? I have followers, I have students, I have viewers of my YouTube channel. Okay. Yes, this is the intersection of the three sides. Okay, over there, right, and over there, left. Okay, man. If we have a good flashlight, an expensive. If I have an expensive flashlight, I need an expensive flashlight. I can give the light to there. Okay, aim to there. We are aiming with this flashlight to there. Okay, you don't know, big tree there, man. Oh, this is terrifying. You don't know. terrifying, man, here. Okay, you don't feel, man. Okay, here. Whoa, the branches of a tree. Oh, man. Oh, what is this, man? Suddenly there is this. Oh, ho, 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 ho. What is this? What is this, man? Okay, maybe I bring it to my home because we need to the floor surface for the clean of we step our foot on it. Okay, I think that's enough. We go to other part of this video. Maybe I'm going to make a new one of this video. Okay, see you again next chance. We have another opportunity. Okay, be brave, spirit, work hard, try again. Okay, you don't know, you never know. You really never know till you have tried. You will know if you have tried. Okay, senyuman Satyau, berani, berjuang, bersemangat. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time. Success. Okay, I support you. I believe you understand this language because English is an international language. One thing that I should give you advice that I'm not a wise man, okay? I'm nothing. I'm no one, but I know that in front of in order to you can speak English, you need to learn the grammar, okay? You need to learn the theory and you need to speak. Yes, you need to speak. And in order to see that whether you are brave enough or not, or maybe you are a fake man, a loser man. Oh, there is interaction here, man. Yeah, staying in cemetery of the dead body of the collection of the dead body is really make you feel the real situation in the dark. Okay, thanks. I'm sorry for wordy and too much words. See you next time, man. Yeah, that is the sound of an airplane. Okay, man. See you next time. Senyuman Satyau. Senyuman Satyau, berani berjuang bersemangat. Yes, berani berjuang bersemangat. Yeay, kuntilanak pocong mana lu? Hui. Hui. Kuntilanak pocongnya mana, hui? Hui. Mana lu? Kuntilanak pocong tuh di sini ya. Okay, I win today. Senyuman Satyau. Senyuman Satyau. Ketika kita yakin kan, kita punya niat yang baik datang ke suatu tempat dan kita punya Allah, kita punya Tuhan. Di situ dengan Tuhan itu kita meminta pertolongan. Dengan keimanan kita, kejujuran kita, kita bisa berbuat baik. Kita bisa berada aman dimanapun kita berada. Thank you and see you later, man. Okay.